Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We're starting standing up, reaching up, coming into our mountain pose. Open arm twist to the right arm reaches back, left arm reaches forward. Pull the arms away from each other. Back to mountain pose. Open arm twist to the left. Come back to your mountain pose. And forward fold. Reach for the floor. Relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Halfway lift. Place your hands on your shins, flatten your back. Shoulders are away from the ears. Forward fold. Slowly roll up to standing. Your head is the last thing to come up. Come back into your mountain pose, reaching up. Baby back bend. Cactus the arms. Look up as you press the hips forward. Mountain pose. Clasp your hands behind you. Straighten the arms as you puff your chest up. And forward fold. Relax your head and your neck and your shoulders. Release your arms, coming into your chair pose. Sink your hips deep, reach your arms up. Stand up for mountain pose. And bring your hands to heart center. Take one final inhale in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.